Look at this big mama box, y'all. I'm so excited for this video because we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Veraface device from Zemits Aesthetics. You guys have seen I've been working with Zemits for about a year now. I've preached and preached about their Verstan HD hydrodermabrasion system, and I finally got my hands on the next machine that I've been really interested in. I'll be talking all about it in this series. I'm going to make a couple videos of what it is, how it works, client feedback, all the ins and outs. But if you are also going to be at the Las Vegas IECSC trade show, I'm going to be doing a class on this about how AI is transforming our industry, because this baby right here uses AI to do skin analysis, and it is an investment, okay? So I'm definitely making this video for you guys who are maybe considering purchasing this device. And then if you go to the trade show and you want to come see my class, it's going to be on Monday at 12:30. I don't know the room just yet, but be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll try to post it on here as well once I find out more details. But we're going to be with Zemits all 3 days. So we're going to be there Saturday, Sunday, Monday at 11 a.m. at their booth. And also we're doing a little mix and mingle as well, just on our own, something casual. We want to meet you on Saturday night at 7 p.m. at Bar Parasol at the Wynn Hotel. Okay, it's very close by to the convention center. We wanted to make sure it was close by to IECSC is putting on a opening up night party, a club party, which I'm not trying to go to, but I made the timing so that you guys can come and see us before that event. So if you're planning on doing that, come and see us, have a drink with us, talk with us about our training that's coming up in September. So anyways, that's my little announcements before we get into the unboxing of the Veraface. But I'm just so excited. Look how big this thing is. I didn't expect it to be this big. That's why I had to have Kristen come and help me and bring it up the dang stairs that we have here. So just be aware that it might be a little hefty when you get it. I got it delivered to FedEx. I never have anything of this value because it is an investment to deliver to my house. So I would recommend getting it delivered if you can to a location that you know is secure. This right here is actually the table that I ordered from Amazon. So I'm going to try to build that out today and just see if the sizing and if it works for this or not. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this baby, but before you go ahead and unbox your device, I want you to take some content. So we already did some clips on the phone of us bringing it up the stairs. Then we did a little clip of us going like, you know, kind of to build up the excitement to our clients of like this new machine that we received and that they can look forward to using and experiencing at our practice. So be sure to put that on the to-do list when you order this or any device, to be honest, and make it a suspenseful unopening or reveal to your audience, because we're definitely going to be doing that very, very soon. Yep. And let's get into unboxing. I have my iPhone propped up over here, so I'm taking clips while I'm doing this too. Scissors. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to figure out maybe where the top of this is. Ooh. So we got this little bag of something here. And then, oh. Dun, 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 dun. Here comes the review. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's like a little space pod. Alright, y'all, this is the device. The side of it. The back. The other side. Oh, it's a good thickness. Okay, let's see. How heavy is this? Okay, it's not too heavy, but it's probably about 25 pounds. I feel like 20, 25 pounds. Cool. Now I want to unbox the table and try to put that together and see where it's gonna fit. I feel like this is my friend. It's like a little robot. I feel like he's gonna talk to me.
He's gonna tell us our skin is bad.
Okay, we're gonna open up the table. So I got one with wheels because I knew Kristen and I were gonna be trading off, and I didn't want something that wasn't gonna be easy to move around. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. This looks pretty easy to put together. Oh yeah, okay, goes pretty high. Yeah. That's what I wanted, because I was thinking originally of getting the Zemits. I asked her for the cart, but I was like, wait, no, that thing is like super short. Yeah. They'd have to go like, imagine if we have some like tall person, getting their face analyzed. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah. So this goes up and down with this pedal here. On top. How pretty that is. Ooh. Here it is on the table. I'm so excited to dive into this. Me and Kristen were just opening up on our phones the library on the Zemits Aesthetics training website. You'll get the link to all of that when you get the device, or any device that requires any training. So we're gonna watch that, practice maybe on a friend or a close client of yours or your Esti bestie. But anyways, I'm going to show you what's in this dark bag right here that came with it. Some sort of covering. Oh, maybe it's a hairnet? Don't know about using that, but we'll see. Ooh, okay, nice. This is a drape, I guess, that the person might wear around their neck when they put their face in there to get scanned. And this just creates more darkness, I would assume. This reminds me of the cape I used to use on my clients when I do their makeup to keep the makeup from getting on their clothes. So I assume that this is what the client will put around their neck area. Oh, cool. And then it does come with a USB SD adapter. And there's also a USB drive. So I would assume maybe the USB, I don't know what you would use. We'll see when I watch the training. Then it comes with the micro SD card. So that's kind of what you're going to put on the side here. To collect your client's data when they get their face scanned. So there's that, and then it looks like there's a certificate of inspection. There is a user manual. So make sure to keep these. And then it looks like, let's see. Oh, okay, so it comes with a, what do they call these? I don't even know what they call them, but basically I would assume you would use it to, point and, you know what I mean? You guys know what I'm talking about? But you guys let me know in the comments what the heck this is called. But it's not a pen, it's to be able to click on the screen without having to use your finger. Oh, and then it comes with a little 3M that maybe you could stick on the side here or somewhere to hold the pen. Okay, cool. Put that in And then the cord, maybe a strap for this bag, I think. Alright, well, me and Kristen are going to be watching the training on this soon. Then we're gonna scan each other's faces and play around with it and see how it goes. And then, of course, you know, slowly but surely get our clients' data in here. And yeah, so stay tuned. I believe probably that video will be next week of more of my feedback and just us playing around with it. So be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you are considering getting the Veraface or you have the Veraface, and any questions too, because I'll definitely try to answer your questions in this little mini series about this device. So hope you enjoyed that. I hope to see you in Las Vegas and at our training as well. Comment below if you have any other questions. I love you, mwah, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.